alive, dude. That is fucking nuts.
I know it is, right?
Right here, look up. Come on,
no, look right here. Look right here. Look at this rotation.
Oh my god, dude. That is fucking crazy.
It's gonna miss us, but look at that. You can't
see hell. Look at this. Oh, it's crazy. Look how big it is.
That's my mom's house, dude. I gotta like totally get a hold of her.
Come on, let's go.
Dude, it's already hanging up. Woo!
Holy shit.
It's either about to start coming down. I mean, we're not even getting any hail or anything, dude.
Not yet.
We're not getting any hail.
There it is.
Hold on, I spoke a little too soon here. We're getting some heavy rain.
That is crazy shit. Did you see how fast it went from right there to right there?